If you run a business, you're starting to hire people and you don't want to go through the very time-consuming process of reading CVs and judging which is the best one, then here I have an automation that will just do that for you. As you can see, it's very simple. Let me run through the workflow so you can see what happens. So this form will get sent out to any applicant. Give a name. I'm just going to put nonsense in it for now. Upload your CV, PDFs only. Got a CV for it here, so we submit. This then gets passed to an OCR, which carries out optical character recognition and basically transcripts the CV. This is then given to the OpenAI model to analyze it against the job description. And then all that information gets saved to a Google Sheet here. May take a minute or so. There we go. We've got a name and email and analysis of the CV against the job description. So now I'm just going to quickly break down how I did it. So we've got on-form submission, form title job application. I've given it a form description. Then we just have 3 questions. What's your name? Element type text, and I've put that as a required field. What is your email address? Element type text, and I've put that as a required field. And upload your CV, PDFs only, and I've told it to only accept PDFs. And I've allowed you to people to upload multiple files. This then gets passed to an HTTP request for OCR space, which transcribes the CV to text. You can just go to ocr.space, sign up, get an API key and everything. All I've done, is I've got an API key. I'll delete that API key once I finish filming, so you can't use mine. And I've put body content type form data, N8N binary file, and I've copied this in here. So the PDF here gets given to the OCR. Then that all gets handed to an OpenAI model. I put here's the CV, and then I put analyze it against the following job description, and then I've just added the job description here. Next up, I've just got a Google Sheet, and I've just passed the name from the form into name, the email from the form into email, and then the analysis given to us by OpenAI, json.message.content in here under analysis. And then that's it. A very simple automation there, but very helpful. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.